Do you want to get girls and make your car look awesome and stance this thing out? Well, unfortunately, that won't be happening. Because with this part, you'll only be getting boys and become a loser. I'm sorry. We are putting on rear camber arms on our 350 today just to give it just a little bit more stance to it.
I'm not excited at all.
We are going to be stancing out this Z today. Extend like this. So this should just go into the rear. It just has a bolt going through here and a bolt going through here. So it's pretty easy. We just got to get down there and take everything apart and everything. So. Screw you, sockets. We are gonna break this thing loose. Now we gotta get these stupid bolts out. Okay, they're in there pretty good. Oh my gosh. It's out, finally out. Now we're basically gonna take the old one, match it up to this length, put it back in there, get it all bolted. Whenever it's back in there, we'll start to give it camber.
Wish I could lay under there. Actually miss this kind of stuff. I need help.
These? Perfect. Bolt goes in down both of these. Well, the one side is finally finished. And it's all bolted up, so now we're gonna move on to the driver's side. And then we'll stance it out, if I haven't made that clear. That probably took me an hour to do that one side, so I'm hoping it's not gonna take me an hour to do this side. I did it. Oh. Let's go. That was definitely faster than the other one. That probably only took about like,
10 minutes?
Yeah, probably 10 minutes. The other side probably took 30 minutes or an hour. It's time to go grab the other part, match this up, put it back on, and then we'll finally stance this thing out a little bit. I don't know how much stance this thing will actually get. Pat doesn't know either.
I don't know. It's all you.
What up? It's day 2, mother trucker. Guess who has an equalizer app? So we're gonna see how much camber we currently have on this car. So let's see, it's negative half a camber right now. I'm gonna get under here and twist it and tell me if the wheel moves. It's like negative 3 now. That's as far as I can get this. This side might have more camber than the other side. About negative 1.3. Okay, that's as far as I can get that one. All right, where do we think that only gave me like 4 or 5 negative camber? All right, negative 3.6. Negative 3.6. I guess it wasn't a total fail. For only $100 you can get negative 3 camber. Not that much camber, but some is better than none. Pretty much an epic fail on the Z.
1 week later.
We just had a major ice storm hit us in South Carolina. So today, we're gonna go sledding a little bit. Oh my God. No! Get up, man!
3 days later.
I just received a text message saying, hey, do you want to come up and do donuts at the local movie theater? With the C6, I get a gift card. Pep, you think we should go?
Yeah.
Ever since we fixed the C6, we haven't actually even ripped the C6 yet. So I guess we're gonna go rip this thing or something.
The tires off that sucker.
We're currently on the way to go do some donuts in the Corvette. Well, maybe a burnout, I don't know.
No donuts.
No donuts, probably no donuts, but we're gonna go do some burnouts. popcorn! Fab your popcorn! This thing does not want to swing. Quarter up. She's on.
That boy's crazy. That boy's good though. That boy's crazy.
So what we think, Pap?
I was impressed.
After all those burnouts, the check engine light just came on, so I magically I don't know how I have my scanner. I never had my scanner. First day I had my scanner, we're gonna see what this thing's saying. I think it's pretty grumpy. Catalytic system efficiency below. So catalytic converter code. Wow. That's it. That's all. What the frick? That was even nothing. Corvette did pretty good for being how clapped it is. It did very nice. Make sure you subscribe so I can buy a car lift.